Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, I have been waiting to say this sentence. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And finally it is happening. I am super excited to be part of YouTube family. This is like a dream come true. Honestly, I wanted to be on this platform for so long and I was just sitting and thinking कि अब नहीं तो कब. Like I really have to be here. अगर अब मैंने नहीं किया then I don't think it's ever going to happen. So finally I am here. Also for all the people who have been following me on Instagram and giving me all their love, thank you so much. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. I would really want you guys to now give me all the love on YouTube as well. Support me here. This is something that I'm going to start from the very beginning. It's like a new thing for me and your support will mean a lot to me. Moving on to what we are going to do today. This is the look. This is the look. This is something that I do जब मेरे को 10 से 15 मिनट में रेडी होना पड़ता है और मेरे को ज़्यादा सोचने का टाइम नहीं मिलता कि आज क्या करना है या क्या नहीं करना, तो मैं ये लुक करती हूँ बिकॉज दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ लुक दैट गोज विद योर इंडियन आउटफिट्स ऑल्सो एंड वेस्टर्न आउटफिट्स ऑल्सो. आप दिन में भी ये मेकअप कर सकते हो, रात में भी ये मेकअप कर सकते हो. प्लस मैंने इसके साथ न्यूड लिपस्टिक लगाई है, बट इफ़ यू आर नॉट अ फैन ऑफ न्यूड लिपस्टिक देन गो हेड एंड वेयर रेड, पिंक, मरून, वॉट एवर यू लाइक, बिकॉज इस आई मेकअप के साथ आप कोई भी लिपस्टिक कर सकते हो. सो इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन वॉचिंग कि मैंने ये लुक कैसे किया है, देन होल्ड ऑन, सिट टाइट एंड कीप ऑन वॉचिंग. So I've already prepped my face and the very first thing that I'm going to begin with is my eye makeup, and the very first thing that I apply on my eyes before I start my eye makeup is an eyeshadow base. And today I'm going to use MAC Paint Pot. It is in the shade Laying Low. I'm just going to use my finger to take the product out and then I'm going to slowly start applying it on the lids. जो आप एप्लीकेशन कर रहे हो, एप्लीकेशन बहुत ही स्मूथ होनी चाहिए. बिल्कुल भी जब आप लगा रहे हो तो बिल्कुल भी आपको कहीं क्रीजेस नहीं दिखने चाहिए, बिकॉज अगर आपका ये बेस अच्छे से ब्लेंडेड नहीं होगा तो इसके ऊपर आई शैडो भी बिल्कुल ब्लेंडेड नहीं आएगी. Once the base is on, you have to make sure that you powder it. अगर आप पाउडर नहीं करेंगे तो थोड़ी देर में आपके आई शैडो में क्रीजेस आ सकती हैं एंड आप कोई भी पाउडर यूज़ कर सकते हो. इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी टू यूज़ अ लूज पाउडर. आप प्रेस पाउडर भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, अपना कॉम्पैक्ट भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. इट इज़ टोटली फाइन. सो द पाउडर दैट आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ इज़ बाय के ब्यूटी. इट इज़ इन द शेड बनाना. आप लिड्स को पाउडर करने के लिए थोड़ा सा फ्लफ़ी ब्रश ले सकते हैं बिकॉज अ फ्लैट ब्रश विल नॉट वर्क इफेक्टिवली. सो मैं ये ब्रश ले रही हूँ. दिस ब्रश इज़ बाय ब्यूटी ब्लश. 014 इज़ द नंबर और मैं बहुत लाइटली अपने आई शैडो बेस के ऊपर इसको टैप कर रही हूँ. The eyeshadow kit that I'm going to use is one of my favorite because it has got a lot of earthy tones. उसके साथ साथ उसमें gold भी है. So if I want to do makeup according to a western outfit, मैं बहुत आराम से वो palette use कर सकती हूँ. And even if I want to do it according to an Indian outfit, तो मैं वो भी बहुत आराम से कर सकती हूँ उस palette में. This is a Too Faced palette. It's called Pretty Rich. First color that I'm going to use is called Fancy That. It's like a light brown color. And the brush that I'm going to use is from Morphe. It's like a fluffy blending brush. So मैंने ब्रश पे आई शैडो ले लिया है and now I'm going to start with the outer corner. Slowly मैं outer corner से blend करूँगी. Like I'll have to keep going back and forth into the transition color that I've just picked. और मैं धीरे धीरे उसी transition color को all the way towards the inner corner तक लेकर जाऊँगी. आप कलर थोड़ा ज़्यादा उठा सकते हैं अगर आपको ट्रांजिशन कलर ज़्यादा डार्क चाहिए, एंड आप थोड़ा कलर कम उठाइए अगर आपको ट्रांजिशन कलर ज़्यादा डार्क नहीं चाहिए. लाइक आपको आई मेकअप बहुत ही लाइट रखना है. यू डोंट वांट टू पुट लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट इनटू इट. तो ये बहुत लाइट मेकअप भी रहेगा और आपका फुल फेस मेकअप हो जाएगा, वो भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा ऑनेस्टली. So already I can see some kind of depth around this eye and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side also. नेक्स्ट कलर दैट आई एम गोइंग टू पिक इज़ गोइंग टू बी स्लाइटली डार्कर. अगर आपको ज़्यादा डार्क आई मेकअप नहीं अच्छा लगता तो आप सेम आई शैडो जो हमने अभी यूज़ किया उस सेम आई शैडो को आप पूरी लिड पे लगा सकते हैं. जस्ट डू योर मस्कारा एंड यूर गुड. बट इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू गो स्लाइटली डीपर, एक्सपेरिमेंट विद स्लाइटली डार्कर शेड्स, देन आई वुड से गो विद डीपर शेड्स. एंड द कलर दैट आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ इज़ ओह दैट्स रिच. सो ये जो डार्क ब्राउन कलर है, इस डार्क ब्राउन कलर को मुझे अपनी आईलिड्स पे लगाना है, लगाकर उसके एजेस को ब्लेंड करना है. सो नाउ टू गेट द मैक्सिमम इफेक्ट द आई शैडो, आई वुड लिटरली हैव टू टेक अ फ्लैट ब्रश, pick the eyeshadow and tap it on my lids. Alright, so for that again I'm going to use this flat brush from Morphe. Pick eyeshadow on it and start tapping it on my lids. And this shadow I'm going to take it up all the way till my crease and then I'm going to start blending it. अब जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं मेरी ब्राउन आई शेडो ऑलरेडी लग चुकी है. अब मैं वापस अपना लाइट ब्राउन कलर लूँगी विद द सेम ब्रश जिससे मैंने वो कलर पहले ब्लेंड किया था एंड आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट ब्लेंडिंग द एजेस ऑफ डार्क ब्राउन. I'm almost done here. All I have to do is add some more depth around my lash line. So उसके लिए मैं पहले काजल पेंसिल यूज़ करूँगी. I'm going to use this Europe Girl काजल पेंसिल and along with it I'm going to keep my brush handy which I'm going to use to blend the काजल पेंसिल. जो उसके edges होंगे I want it to look blended. मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा sharp edges नहीं चाहिए. That's why I'm going to keep it all blended. This brush is from Vice She. मैंने बहुत सालों पहले लिया था, तब मैंने Amazon से लिया था, but now they have their own website where you can purchase their products from. Now I've again taken the dark brown eyeshadow that we just used with this brush and I'm just tapping it on the top of the black eyeliner that I applied. बस आपको यही करना है so that आपके lash line में थोड़ी सी और depth आ जाए. Using this lash curler to curl my lashes and this particular lash color that I have is from Kiko Milano. So I'm using NARS Climax mascara to make my lashes look more fuller. And for this look I'm not going to be applying lashes because this is the kind of look that I usually do in about 10 to 15 minutes और उतना time पे मैं lashes नहीं लगा पाती. So I'm going to use this mascara and it's going to help me make my lashes look super heavy. So I'm going to come closer and you'll see how much volume this mascara gives to my eyelashes. If you're not a fan of kajal, you can just simply skip this step. I think kajal makes my eyes look more defined and I also do skip my kajal sometimes, but sometimes I really like to have it on. So yeah, so this is the kind of look that I do use kajal with. So before we start with the face, I'm quickly going to go off camera and clean my face because there's a little bit of fallout around this part of the face and I'm just going to clean it and be back. I'm back! So the very first thing that I'm going to begin with is primer. ये primer Too Faced company का है, इसका नाम है Hangover. So this is just a sample that I got from Too Faced and I bought few things, but normally the tube size is quite bigger, so don't worry. I have this product in hand. I'm going to rub it between my fingers and start applying it on the center of the face. So जब भी मैं प्राइमर लगाती हूँ, अब मेरा मेन फोकस सेंटर ऑफ द फेस ही होता है एंड व्हेन आई फील दैट देयर इज लिटिल बिट ऑफ लेफ्ट ओवर ऑन माई हैंड, तो मैं उसको पूरे फेस पे स्प्रेड कर लेती हूँ. बट जो मेन फोकस है दैट इज द सेंटर ऑफ द फेस. Using this Makeup Revolution concealer for my under eye area and wherever I have dark patches. This is in the shade C 9.5. I'm going to use very little product on the areas where I am slightly dark, which is around this part here, and then I have a little bit of redness around the nose, corner of the lips. First I'm going to start blending out this area and then I can move forward. Okay, and by the way, this blender is from Europe Girl and I really like it, and you can see it's already torn from here. I have been using it almost every day on my face and I love it. And then I'm going to use it just a little bit on the areas where I have a little bit of spots, so which is around here and here, and again using the blender to blend it out. Going to use this Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation now, and my shade in this is 2W2 Ratan. I simply love this foundation for myself. The only problem with this foundation is when you open it, it just does not have a pump. So that's the only problem I have with this foundation, but otherwise the formula and everything, the coverage, it's amazing. It's amazing. I have taken a little bit on my hand and now I'm taking this PAC 007 brush to apply it on my face. always use blender after I apply foundation with the brush to give a better finish, like an airbrush look to the foundation. It really works. So if you guys noticed, I did not put any foundation under my eyes because I want to brighten them up a little. For that, I'm going to use this Too Faced Born This Way concealer. It is in the shade light beige. So I'm going to directly use the wand and apply it here. And I'm also going to apply it on the other high points of the face, which is your forehead, bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, Cupid's bow, and your chin. Before I put powder on my face, I'm going to make sure that there are no creases under my eyes. So whatever is there, I'm just going to use my blender to blend it out first. So what you do is you just look down, stretch your under eye area, and बस आप उस लाइन को जहाँ पर भी आपका प्रोडक्ट कलेक्ट हो गया आप उसको ब्लेंड कर दो. एंड कीप लुकिंग डाउन. आप अपना पाउडर लें अपने ब्लेंडर के ऊपर एंड उसको वहाँ पर सेट कर दो. तो मैंने कोई बेकिंग नहीं करी है एज सच, बट हाँ मैंने नॉर्मल से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा पाउडर लगाया एंड मैंने ये वाला एरिया सेट कर दिया. For rest of the face, I'm going to use this PAC brush in the number 134, and I'm going to lightly tap on my entire face to set the foundation and the concealer. So I quickly added some shadow on my lower lash line, and also I did my eyebrows off the camera. Now I'm going to start with contour. I'm going to use this Smashbox Bronze Lights Warm Matte Powder. It looks like this from the inside. At the contour, I'm going to use this brush from Beauty Blush. The number is 015. I'm just moving my brush in circular motions to make sure whatever I'm doing looks blended. I'm slightly broad on my jawline, so I like to cover this part up to make my face look slightly thinner. Now to add a little bit of glow on my face, I'm going to use this Europe Girl highlighter. It's called 01 Showtime. So now I'm taking this brush from Real Technique. It's called Setting Brush. The number is 402. And I'm going to apply this on the high points of my face. Little bit on the forehead. So I'm going to take this color from Maybelline Fit Me collection. The name of the shade is called Pink, and the brush that I'm going to use is from CS Essentials. It is called F3. So I'm going to take some pink color and apply it on the apple of my cheeks. I like how blush makes you look more fresh. Just love it. Love it. For the lips, I'm going to use this Faces Canada lip pencil and Forever 52 lip color. This lip pencil is called Lip Definer and it's in the shade Nude Brown 08 number. So I totally love this Forever 52 color. This is FT001. It is quite creamy when you apply it and it stays put the whole day. Plus it's very comfortable on the lips. I have worn it for like 10-12 hours at a stretch and I did not even have to touch it up honestly. It just stays put. I'm just going to add a little bit of Fix Plus on my face to make my face look more glowy. Fix Plus is going to add a little bit of dewy effect on the face, which I really like. I don't like to look too powdery or too matte, so it's going to give me that dewy effect that I really want. So the fixer that I applied, it's sort of sticky right now. So at this stage, if you want to add a little more highlighter to make your face look even more shiny or glowy, you can do that at this point. I feel that I would want that little bit of glow. So I'm going to add that. And I'm going to use the same highlighter palette from Europe Girl that I just used. So there you go, this is the complete look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and got few tips and tricks through the video as well. Also, I'm new to YouTube channel, so I would love for you guys to leave a comment if there's anything specific that you would want to see on my upcoming videos. Do like and share this video if you liked watching this look. Also do subscribe to the channel. and do not forget to hit the bell button, and I'm going to see you super soon.